Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a workout regimen that's been making waves, especially among fans of Jennifer Aniston. Join us as we explore the secrets behind her Pvolve fitness routine, which promises a fantastic full-body workout. Jennifer Aniston is known for her enviable physique, and she credits a portion of her fitness success to Pvolve. As outlined in a recent article by CNN_ from September 2023, this workout is gaining recognition for its effectiveness. For a detailed look at what makes Pvolve special, continue watching. Get an insider's look at Jennifer Aniston's favorite workout with Pvolve Fitness. Learn how Pvolve offers a complete body workout that's both effective and accessible. Find out why this routine has become a go-to for Aniston and many others. Thanks for joining us on this journey into Jennifer Aniston's fitness routine. If you found this information intriguing, give us a thumbs up and share it with fellow fitness enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more celebrity workout insights. Here's to a healthier, stronger you. See you in the next one.